Hello everyone, I'm Rakesh and welcome back to my channel CodeStreamTech, making learning easy. Please subscribe to my channel if you want to make your Pega learning easy and hit the bell icon for the latest updates. This will motivate me to create more such content. Also, you can follow me on LinkedIn, Facebook and Instagram. The link is available in the below description. If you're looking for a complete Pega developer training where you can learn the things right from the basics till advanced, then you can join my course on my site and the link is available in the description. Soon I'm going to add one more module on the latest version, so make sure you visit the site. So guys, in this video we're going to talk about case types in Pega. Business applications help clients to automate their work to achieve a specific outcome. To achieve this specific outcome, various teams and people are involved. So within Pega, we achieve this with the help of case types. Now the question comes, what is a case type? So basically, case type is a business process used to define the business requirements with the help of stages, processes and steps. Within case type, we configure different stages. Within stages, we have different processes, and within different process, we have different steps. So in simple terms, case type is the main business motive which client wants to achieve. It is the transaction unit which they want to execute. So guys, in this video, we are going to create a new case type called claim. So the end users will raise this claim request and later on it will follow the verification process. So once result of this verification result is positive, the claim will be approved. Otherwise, it will be rejected. So let's get started. So guys, in this video, we are going to create a new case type, and for that, once we log in to our application, by default, it will give us this pop-up to create a new case type in case we haven't created any. So let's click on create case type. So as you can see, Pega Gen AI is giving us these suggestions, but at the moment we have idea in our mind, so we'll be going with the standard template, not with the autopilot suggestions. So the case type which we are going to create is claim. Let's expand this advanced section, and here it is asking us to select the layer in which we need to create this case type, and we're going to create it within claim manager case layer only. But there is one small catch, so make sure whenever you create a new case type, create a separate rule set for that and create your new case type within your separate rule set. So here what will happen is, like, when you will try to create a new case type, it will select the rule set which is related to your app layer. So instead of that, we are going to create a separate rule set and we are going to select that. So for that, for now, let's click cancel. Let's go to Dev Studio. Now from Dev Studio, you can open your application definition, and here you can see we have two rule sets, and let's add one more rule set, and let's say its name claim. Let's click on this icon to create this rule set. Now let's click create and open. Let's click save, and now come back to the application definition, and from here you can hit the down arrow, and after that let's enter colon 01 hyphen 01. So basically this is major and minor version, and we'll talk about this more when we'll visit rule and rule set version. We're going to have a separate video for this, so you need not to worry about this. Now do one thing, let's drag and drop it to the top and save it. And now we are left with final action, that is to open this rule set and lock it. Let's simply click lock and save. You can provide a password, let's say rules. Let's click submit. Now let's go back over here and open this rule set as well and lock this version. If you have multiple such versions, make sure you lock everything. So this is required when you are creating a new case type, so that this particular rule set will be picked for the new case type creation. So now we are done with this and let's go back to App Studio. Now let's go to case types. And here let's click on add case type. Let's provide a name. Let's say claim. Select this, use standard template, expand advanced, and we have only one option, so you need not to worry about this. Let's click next. So it will take some time to create this case type, and we will land on this screen where we are going to define the workflow for this. Let's first go and add the stages. So by default, you will see this create stage. Apart from that, we are going to add three primary stages. Let's click on this plus stage icon and let's provide a name. Let's say submission. Now let's add one more stage, that is review, and finally let's add resolve. So these three will be our primary stages, and apart from that we are going to configure the alternate stages. Let's click on this plus alternate stage and let's enter this reject. Let's add one more alternate stage and let's say cancel. Now if you don't know the difference between these primary stages and alternate stages, then primary stages follows the happy path which business wants, and alternate stages are for the exception cases. Let's say a user has submitted a claim request and that got rejected, then it will not follow the happy path but it will go to the reject stage. Or let's say a user has submitted the claim request and he is not willing to continue with the claim request, he can cancel it and that time it will go to the cancel stage. Now let's click on save. So once you save it, now let's go and add process within each stage. So what you need to do is you need to put your cursor on this stage heading. Click on these three vertical dots and click add new process. Let's do this for all the stages. Later on, we are going to update them as per the requirement. Now let's click save. Now let's go to Dev Studio and let's see where exactly these rules has been created. So for that, let me open this claim rule set. Okay, let me refresh this because this was already open, and you can see 36 rules has been created within this. So now whatever changes we will perform in this case type claim, all the rules will go to this rule set claim. Now we are ready to unlock these two remaining rule set versions. Let's unlock this rule set version as well. And here we can change the sequence. We can bring down this claim rule set at the bottom and save it. So make sure whenever you are adding a new case type, you lock all the rule set versions, and you can create a separate rule set for your case type. Bring it to the top and save it, and make sure your new rule set has at least one open rule set version. Now let's go back to App Studio. So now let's click preview, and from here let's click on this plus icon and select this option claim. So this will create a new claim case for us. So at the moment we haven't designed any screen. So let's simply click submit. It has advanced to the submission case. Let's again click on advance this case. It will go to review stage, and from review it will go to resolve stage, and after this case will get resolved. So now our task will be to design all these screens. We need to design data model for them, and at the end we will resolve the case. So this is going to be a journey of our primary case type, that is claim. In the next video we are going to design child cases which are related to this claim case. So guys, this is all about today's video. Like you have seen, we have configured the case type in a few simple steps, and we have configured in a separate RSV. So this is a standard you will need to follow moving forward. So make sure even in your day-to-day development activities, if you are creating a new case type, make sure you create that in a separate RSV. So make sure you subscribe to this channel to keep yourself updated on the new videos. And also don't forget to visit my site if you are looking for a complete Pega developer training. If you like my work, don't forget to share it with your friends. If you have any queries, or if you want me to cover any specific topic, please do let me know in the comment box. Thanks for watching this video. Stay healthy, stay safe. Have a nice day.